Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. I'll be guiding you through how you can block someone on KakaoTalk. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by tapping open Kakao application from your app drawer. Once you do that, sign into your account if necessary. From your chat screen, go to the human icon at the bottom left and you can see all the contacts that you have on your KakaoTalk in this page. Choose one of your contacts you want to block by tapping on them. Keep pressing the contact's name and there will be a pop-up. Simply tap on block from the options and confirm your block action by tapping on OK from the pop-up. If you block someone in KakaoTalk, you are deleting all your Kakao messages before and you will not receive any Kakao SMS from them. And they will not appear on your friend list as well. The contact you just blocked won't know that they are blocked on KakaoTalk. It just appears that you are not reading his or her messages. Now, in order to unblock the person, go to your settings button at the upper right corner of the screen and tap on General Settings. Under the Settings menu, tap on Friends, scroll a bit down, and under Manage Friends, tap on Blocked Friends. Now, the contacts that you have blocked on KakaoTalk will be listed here in this page. Tap on Manage right beside the contact and from the pop-up, select Unblock. Tap on OK and there you go. You have blocked and unblocked someone on KakaoTalk. You also have an option to add the person back to your friend list. Tap on Add Friends and there you go. You are back to being friends on KakaoTalk just with a tap. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.